Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Assassins? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins team. Guys, hey, thank you for being here today. Today I want to keep talking to you about business credit. How does your business become bankable? And what is bankable? Now guys, business credit is essential, specifically if you are trying to go into business. My goal for you guys and our goal in here in the Credit Assassins team is to make sure that you don't have to use your personal credit to fund your business. Yes, at the beginning, just like any other business, you are going to have to be the personal guarantor. But I don't want you to use your credit in order to start funding your new dream, the new business that you're trying to actually start from the ground up, or you're trying to scale. So the goal here is to teach you how to become fundable and lendable and lay the foundation that you need in order to eventually gain corporate credit. Yeah, a lot of people don't even know what the term corporate credit is, but yes, that's when your business becomes its own entity and is able to be lent on without your help. So meaning that you're not the personal guarantor. Now guys, if this is your first time in our channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all, so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Guys, at the same time, give us a thumbs up. This content is going to help you out in order to move forward in life. My goal for you is to become financial dependent on yourself, or dependent. So financial independence, that's what we'll strive to be for you to get. But at the same time, generational wealth. That's what we're going after. You want to make sure you create wealth for yourself, but for your generations to come, and make sure that you teach them the right way on how to use finances. But the main thing is how to use credit. So what is to become bankable? Yeah, that's the term that a lot of people don't even know about. So let's talk about bankable. Let me give you an analogy of 4 legs. In order for a table to stand, all 4 legs needs to be solid, need to be in place, right? If you have 3 legs or one of the legs is wobbly, more than likely your business or the table will crumble. So let's talk about leg 1. So leg 1 is your lender's compliance, or the lender that is about to lend you money. So in this lender's compliance, is about 20 items. 20 items, guys. It's not 1, 2, 3. It's not a pay dates. It's not or I have a phone number or an address. So it's 20 items that you need to meet per your lender's compliance, and this is nationwide. 20 items that you need to meet, and in order for you to be bankable, in this case, and lendable. So that's the goal for you to understand. Now, think about this. How long would it take you to know these items that you need in order to meet compliance? We can help you with that. 360 Business Vantage will allow you to do a full scan and help you out and identify what you are lacking and what you need. So leg number 2, your business trade line. So, hey guys, I know that I hear a lot of people saying 3, 4, 5 trade lines. No, you must at least have about 10 trade lines on your business credit. And they need to be reporting on your business credit. Remember, your business credit, we have Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. There's no TransUnion and the business side. TransUnion, not Transfusion. TransUnion is on the personal side. But guys, something you got to keep in mind, these trade lines are just like your personal trade lines. When we're talking about your personal trade lines, we're talking about house, boats, cards, your credit cards, and they report to the credit bureau. Just like they report to the credit bureau, the business size trade lines also report to the credit bureaus on the 30-day basis. And they report if you are paying early, on time, or if you are late. The earlier that you pay your trade lines, the better it is, because it increases your overall credit score. So leg number 3, your credit score, your business credit score. So when we talk about scores, is how your trade lines report and the ability that you actually, or how often you pay your bills on time. So remember, paying early, paying on time, and if you pay late, that affects your credit score. Now, in order to have a strong credit score, you need to have a credit score of 70 or above. Now, this credit score dictates or tells the bank or the lender the ability of you paying your bills on time. So that will actually be a determining criteria for that lender to lend you money, to give you a trade line, or even to extend credit to your business. And guys, leg number 4, having a good business bank rating. Business bank rating. I always get business bank rating. So, did you know that the bank assigns a bank rating to your business? Yes, they do. How they do that is by your ability or the average of your daily income that you have in your business bank account. Now, guys, this tells the banks your ability of repaying a loan or repaying credit. Now, the goal here is for you to have at least a bank rating of low 5. Now, guys, we're going to be going more in depth into what bank rating is in another video, but what I want to tell you is that the software will dictate or will actually let you know in a matter of seconds what's your bank rating. Now, guys, I have a question for you. Do you know where you stand right now in regards to your business? Do you know if you are fundable? Do you know if you are bankable? Do you know what items do you need, compliance items are you lacking or you need to fix? Now, guys, we have developed what's called the 360 Business Vantage. Now, in this system, you'll be able to get a free scan. The free scan will actually let you know if your business is bankable. Do you know what items in compliance you are missing and how to fix them? Now, we have the solution in there for you that will allow you to see where your business stands and where you want to go. Now, guys, don't wait any longer. Something that you need to know is we want you to be successful. The goal here for our company is to be able to impact at least 100,000 businesses in the next 3 years, to be able to get at least $1 billion in lending. Now, guys, we'll let you know what items needs to be completed and how we can get you there in order for you to start getting the funding that you need today for your business. Guys, don't wait any longer. Make sure if you're interested in this, if you want to get your free scan, make sure that you go on the bottom. There's going to be a couple links. You go also reach out to us, call our office. Our software will be out very shortly. We did a soft launch a couple days ago. We had a great response. Now we're still waitlist, so get yourself in the waitlist so that you are one of the first ones to be able to get in for free. Guys, I appreciate your time. My name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin, guys. This was your first time on our channel. Make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click on that bell icon. Click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But at the same time, guys, I hope this content helped you. And if it did, give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment. Let us know how we did, how we could do better, and how we can bring more impactful content to you. Thank you. And again, my name is Carlos, Credit Assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think